how to get Metrobank statement on app. So if you want to get the Metrobank's statement on your app, basically all you have to do is, first of all, open up your Play Store or your App Store and make sure that you download the Metrobank application that you'd be able to find here, right? So once you make sure that you have downloaded the respective application, you want to simply go ahead and then open the Metrobank application. From the bottom, you want to first of all make sure to continue to the login screen by tapping on it. Then all you have to do here is simply make sure to enter your name or your username, and once you enter your name or your username over here and then you log into your respective account, then from there, after you log in, you'll be able to go to the documents page. From the documents page, you'll be able to find all of your statements and your history as well, and you can also choose to filter them if you'd like. And this way you'll be able to get Metrobank statement on app. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.